7-year-old collie cross boxer, and she's looking for her forever home. Molly's been with us here at Loughborough for a little while now, and one of the many reasons why I love Molly in particular is she's such a cheeky monkey, aren't you? Hey. She's absolutely gorgeous. When she gets to know you, she's really soft and loving. She loves to run about and play in the paddock. She loves her food as well. She'll do anything for the treat. Oh, good girl.